Are you ready to go to school?
Yes.
So, nakabihis na si Dodong. Lagyan lang siya natin ng hoodie. Oh, mag-hoodie ka kasi malamig sa school. Tugnaw sa school up. Yeah, tugnaw?
Much for later.
Yeah, but right now I feel cold also, so you will feel cold also.
Mama, sunny day.
Yes, it's sunny day, but it's cold.
No, it's not cold. It's sunny day.
Oh, come on, come on. You know why it's cold?
Huh?
Because the wind is very cold. You understand? When it blows, it's very cold, so you need to wear a hoodie. Understand that?
Yes. Mom.
May isa doon.
Mom, let me get my airplane.
Lee, are you ready to go to school with Kuya Matt? Ayan na, naka-ready na siya. Gipatimo-timo na ako. Sipon dyan eh. Pinatimo-timo ko si Lily, guys. Kasi nga,
Follow me.
mamaya ko na siya gagawa ng pancake. Kaya talaga yung aking lalamunan, guys. Ay, pero carry pa yan. Kailangan natin lumabas para maka-fresh air. Suot ka muna damit, ha? Si Kuya. Matt, put on na your shoes, Kuya. Dali.
Mama.
Put on na your shoes, love. Nauuhaw pala siya tapos kumain. Sa garage kami dumaan kasi nandito yung stroller ni Inday. Ganun siya. Padala na ako ng tubig. Are you ready to go to school, love?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Ano siya? Malamig siya na mainit-unit konti. Sarap matulog. At masarap din mag-walking.
I will drop you to school, Mama.
So, Mama will go to school?
Yes.
Oh, no.
Lily will go to school with Kuyama.
Lily and Matt going to school.
Oh, this is Daddy.
That is Kuya Matt and this is Mama. Of course, the stroller is your sister. Hello, say hi.
This is favorite Spider Mama.
Shadow.
And this is Blue Ma.
Blue Matt. It's black Matt. Shadow.
Black Ma.
It's our shadow. Guys, maagang-maaga pa guys. Mag-alas 7 pa. Which is 6:30 pa dito sa Poland. So, malayo pa yung ating lalakbayin. You happy, love? We walk? Are you happy we walk? Yeah. Of course, Lily is there. Musta naman to si Inday yun? Naarawan siya, Dashi. Matt, who closed the playground? The ungo?
Yeah.
Hala. He want to go to playground, guys. Pero sabi ko close. Sabi niya, close daw sa ungo. Okay, nandito na kami sa school ni Kuya. Yeah. Remove na your jacket, love. Ito yung kanilang dressing room. Oh, get inside, Madam Lily. Remove na your damit. Dito ka kay Kuya nga ako.
Mom, let me play with Kuyama.
Say bye-bye na to, Lily. Kasi iniiwan na namin si Matt sa school. Na kami sama itong si Matiti. Ay, kahit away kami ng away, namimiss ko pa rin siya. So, ito na nga, pupunta tayo sa shop. Nadaan tayo sa shop para makakagawa tayo ng pancake para kainda yun. Nakabili na kami ng na ingredients para sa pancake. Magluluto na tayo. Guys, ayun na guys, nagluto na ako ng pancake. Hindi talaga siya na totally blend. Hindi talaga totally blend yung oats kasi na nalubat yung aking blender. Mikos-mikos ko na lang siya para magiging pancake. Ayan. Lit-litan ko lang kasi para kainda yun to. Niluto ko siya of course ng butter. Ano siya? I-try natin ipakain sa kanya kung magugustuhan niya ba. Of course, hindi mawawala yung kanyang pro drink na Yogurt. Kumain na to siya kanina, guys. But, ayan. Try natin pakain. Kung gutom pa rin ba. Ay, inuna niya yung pancake, Beshi. How is it? Is it yum? How is it, love? Hey? Kumain na yan siya ng isang... Oh, no. Busog ata to siya. Ayan. Sarap naman. Wala lang yung hindi na blend na oatmeal. Yun lang yung matigas-tigas. Pero okay lang siya. Ang sarap.
No.
No? What now? Kumain na kasi siya ng tinapay, kaya hindi siya, ayun yung kumain ngayon ng pancake. Anong uminom? Excited, Yarn. Excited uminom. Nam daw. Yummy. Maasim siguro. Sar? Lily? Lapit na maubos. Kahit naasiman siya, kuha pa rin siya ng kuha. No more na. Okay, let's open this one. Open. Ayan, nag-try siya ng pancake. Ayan guys, so inopen ko na. Tingnan nyo yung bread, Kaya hindi siya masyadong kumakain ng pancake kasi nakakain siya ng isang bread talaga. Yogurt lang.